like even like this one. That was kind of in the dark, but like what's going on here?
Count all the acorns in the yard.
That would suck.
Yo, Sonic. Sonic. You look like Sonic the Hedgehog, dude.
Oh, I probably do, actually. Like, there's that blue, which I think, I don't know. But this is blue. Ugh, my nose is sounding terrible. I'm like, snort, snort, snuffle, snuffleupagus. Unedited Queen. That should have been the name of my channel. See that blue? Not, well, I mean, I keep seeing that blue, but there's blue there too. So, so, speaking of finding things in the middle of Florida that are underwater, look at him. Juke Squad, shout out. What is on your mouth?